Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Aesthetica Matte Lip Contour Kit, lipstick palette set includes 6 lip colors, 4 lip liners, lip brush, and instructions. The lip colors themselves were a little light at first, but can be built up for the desired colors. The kit is very nice, and the colors are beautiful, and diverse in shade options. There's nothing better than the aha moment you find a new holy grail makeup product, and this was one of those for me. Gave as a gift, but the packaging was perfect for that purpose, and the person loved it. That's what matters. This product is okay, but it is not really made for women with darker lips. A layer of lip gloss shine, or light lipstick is needed as final step if you want shine. All the colors in this palette are very pretty, and great for whatever look you are going for. The colors are weird, and not a good spectrum of lip colors, at least for me. The white could have been less chocolatey, and this kit needs more cohesion of colors. This is a beautiful palette with nice lip colors, and easy to follow directions for lip contouring. Highly recommend. Definitely recommend as an addition to an extensive lipstick collection, or as the one and only lipstick kit you need. The liner smudges, and the ombre is almost impossible due to the no matte appearance. Pencils do not work well, and lipstick is poor quality, and does not last long. A well put together booklet with instructions for contouring and lining lips were included with product. They made this kit to fit all colors of skin, from a deep red to nude. This is a wonderful product to have. The color stays, and the quality is great too. This lipstick really didn't work well, it runs off easy. Nothing about this was fun. Nice quality, does not dry lips out, does not last long, have to reapply it. The colors are all wearable, and pretty, and the instructions are clear, and easy to follow. It has all the instructions of how to put on the contour to make your lips fuller, and prettier. Looks great, but make sure you have a gloss to go under, or over the lipstick so it can really shine. The Aesthetic Lip Contour Kit is a beautiful kit. The basic lip contouring techniques for every lip shape. This kit comes in a neat little case with everything included, 4 different pencil colors, and 5 matching creams. You get the basic color palette to mix and make your own color, saving you from needing different lipsticks. It's a great tool to learn with if you want to spend this much money on okay quality. You would need multiple coats throughout the day, or an additional mixing medium to achieve a decent color on the lips. The package is nice, and comes with instructions, and a nice little insert to keep in the palette. The color does dry to a nice matte, and fade is minimal within a 6-hour period, but really not glass friendly. Compound Bo Oral Grafama 18 Kid 145181619 SR 88 Pix 110 Psi 165 QL 70 Keywords Lippermerd Bo 1 Bid 31 JDBCC 9 Oslo Reef Search can never have too much moisture. Now to the good part, your Aesthetica Lip Contour Kit. Love the color, and love that it has so many color, and to travel it great. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.